shit don't make no sense. How I went from this. How the fuck you want me not back then like you know?
It's just us in the car at around like 1 a.m. going to UNF. We made it. After we got off the car, we were walking around, searching the area. We went over this bridge, and there was a lot of wildlife there. After that, we fell asleep and woke up the next day, and there's more pictures on Instagram if y'all want to see it. But yeah, this is us heading back home from Jacksonville. Then we stopped at this trail park. Ghetto.
I'm willing to die for this shit. I done cried for this shit. Might take a lie for this shit. Put the Bible down and go out for a knife for this shit. DOT, my enemy, won't catch a vibe for this shit. Ayy, I've been stumped.